Hello! Happy Saturday! We're not going camping tonight. We will go to, what's the name of the place? Murray Bridge? I forgot. Basta, we're going there, but we're not staying overnight. We're not camping. Kasi Dan doesn't feel confident camping. He's like, what if we do not know how to put up a tent? And I was like, we will figure it out. But yeah, he doesn't want to. It's alright though. We will just go home tonight. We will still go there. Because nabook na namin yung kind of like a cruise sa river. It's nothing fancy, you guys. You will see later on. It is already almost 1. So good afternoon, people. I have on my lips the ColourPop lippy sticks in the shade Poppin', yung na-feature ko sa 2016 favorites ko. And then I will be wearing a hat today. I really love this hat. Like it says, you. Yes, meron akong bagong hat. Woo! I got this from Zafo. And see, meron na siyang lipstick. I'm not sure if you guys can see. There, lipstick. And then meron din konti dito sa harap. But that's alright. I will just wear it like, wait. Nope. Yeah. Okay. I'll just wear it like that. And I am wearing a t-shirt dress that I got from Shein, I believe. Shein or Romwe. Shein, I think. And then yeah, that's my outfit of the day. I will bring a jacket or maybe a cardigan kasi baka malamig tonight. But yeah, maybe I will bring a bomber jacket. Maybe I will bring a pink one. Let's go get one. I washed my hair today, but sobrang bilis mag-dry ng buhok ko. Si Dan naliligo na. I will bring a denim jacket instead of the bomber jacket kasi I feel like this is more warm than the bomber jacket. The bomber jacket that I wanted to bring is a thinner one. And yeah, I think I will wear sneakers. The white one that I got from Romwe as well. I will go ahead and say, tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ko siya. I don't want to straighten my hair today. As much as possible on weekends, I don't want to apply heat on my hair. I don't feel like wearing the sneakers, guys. I think I'm gonna wear just my sandals. Or maybe flip-flops. We'll see. I wanted to buy a mirror for here. Like somewhere here. Para, you know, ma-check yung sarili ko before I go out. But yeah, hindi pa ako nakahanap ng mirror na like maganda talaga pang stand, you know. Ayoko na mag-ano sa wall. Ayoko mag-pokpok sa wall. Pokpok sa wall talaga. We still have plenty of time kasi yung cruise, meron pa silang pa-live band dun sa cruise eh. I think it will start at 6 or 7 tonight. But it's far. I think it's an hour-and-a-half drive. I think the spelling is Murray. Sabi ni Dan, pag-pronounce ni Dan Murray. M-U-R-A-Y or double R-A-Y. Let me search for it actually. Hello. They can't see you, babe. Japan this week. No word yet on when it's set to arrive in Australia. The first entry for we're going to the country. Murray Bridge, and then we will go somewhere before that. You said? I'm using the what do you call that? The car mount that Roslyn gave me. Thank you, Roslyn. This hat though. You smiley. Yes. I am just wearing flip-flops. I was gonna wear sneakers, but I didn't feel like it. It's so hot. Kailangan ko lang hawakan yung camera kasi gumaganon shoot. It happened last time. My camera went shoot, babe. Shook. I'm shook. Do you want to be Handorf's tour guide?
No.
Do you like it here, babe? Handorf? You love it here?
Yeah.
Do you want to live here?
Like one day. Not today.
One day when you're retired and old?
I am old.
You are not old. If you're old, then I'm also old. I'm not old. We're not old.
You're getting old.
Getting there. We will find a place to eat here because we haven't had lunch yet. And Murray Bridge is far.
Ish. Nah, not really.
An hour.
An hour.
Yeah, that's far, babe. So we need to eat. This is like a good,
Film
you know, small community. I'm filming. I'm talking. We've been here before, and I'm pretty sure I vlogged. But yeah, Handorf. It's a
Germantown.
Yeah, Germantown. That's what I was gonna fly. Germantown. It's a small town. There's a lot of people here. They love visiting here on weekends.
Huh.
The car? You want me to film the car?
It's a cool car.
The Mazda?
It wasn't a Mazda.
The blue one?
It's an American muscle car. No, the red one.
Oh, I didn't see that. What did you say?
I said it's a nice day today.
That's not what you said. Liar. Liar. Yeah. We're here at Otto's bakery. I'm getting that. Dan's getting that. And then we have our iced tea.
I might just get a pie instead.
You'll get a pie instead of that?
Yeah.
Okay. He got a meat pie and a donut. That's a huge one, babe.
I need a massive one.
And then this is mine. Apple something. Yummers, kain. What an a-hole to park his car halfway out. A savage. And then it says no parking. No, sabi ng babae kanina okay na daw. I did. Why?
Never leave your phone in the car.
I took my camera and then I just left my phone. Oh, that's alright. It was quick. Now continue driving to Murray Bridge. Let go, people. We're here at Bierenberg. So they sell jams and yes, raspberry jam.
You sell like sauces, like topping sauce.
Red pepper, oh. Chipotle. Chipotle sauce, babe.
Yeah, be good as well.
Yeah. Chutney. Oh, gift set. Tartar sauce. Will they have guacamole here?
Have what?
Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Creamy Parmesan, babe. Oh. That's good. Are you looking for something specific, mister?
Yeah, no. Just
They have ranch. Oh, yummers for your salad. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Babe, look it. 6 for $1. So you can get 6 for $1.
Oh, yeah.
Honey. That's so cute.
Maybe $6.
Fresh strawberries, guys. Yum. Looks really good. Yeah, let's buy it. Because we're eating healthy. Charot joke. That, babe, oh. That looks really good. Very ripe. We are back on the road. The girl at Bierenberg is so sweet. She wrote the direction for us to go to the main highway because we need to go back para makapunta kami sa Murray Bridge. And yeah, she wrote this. So sweet, that girl. Right, babe?
Yeah.
A lot of people have been noticing that you don't really hide much these days.
Wife might see me.
Your wife, your other wife might see you. Some people actually believe you when you joke around. They will be like, he has a wife. We're not back on the highway yet, huh? Exciting! I'm really liking this hat. We're here! Well, not really, but ito yung river. Na dito kami magko-cruise mamaya. But yeah, Murray Bridge. We're here. Tapos mayroon pang bridge doon. Is that a bridge? Yeah. There's another bridge right
Maybe
there.
it's a train. Train thing.
Ah, for
Yeah, I
trains.
can see trains.
Yeah, and this is for cars. Okay. Makes sense. Guys, we're here sa park kasi yung cruise 4:45 pa and it's not even 4 yet. And ito yung nakita nila sa internet, the bunyip. You will drop $1 and then something will show up. Okay, this looks kind of scary. Oh my gosh, that looks scary. Here.
Not really tunnels.
Oi! What is that?
See, you get closer.
Oh, it's water.
Are you feeling it?
Wait. They can't even see.
Hey, we're in a sec when it pops up.
Oh, wait. So you drop $1 there.
$1?
Maybe the water will splash, babe.
It won't splash.
Okay, I'm kind of scared. Why am I scared?
Can you film it properly from there?
Sige, how? Wait.
Too late.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So maybe it's their monster, babe?
Right?
Wow, okay.
Dollar well spent.
Yeah, it's actually a good one. Hello. We're just here chilling in front of the river. Kasi wala pa yung cruise namin. Hindi siya dito. Mamaya pa. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan. I think alam na Dan. Do you know where the boat is been? Do you know where to go after? Okay. We just ordered chips right there. Right here. There. And then sobrang daming tomato sauce. Buti na lang nagdala si Dan itong chair kasi nga diba magka-camping sana kami tapos hindi natuloy. He brought chairs and then tent din nandun din sa sasakyan. Ito yung aming view. Merong, ano bang tawag dyan? What do you call that, babe?
What's that?
That, oh, what he's doing.
It's wakeboarding.
Wakeboarding. Yeah, someone is wakeboarding right there. Oops. You fell. That's where we're going, Captain Proud. That's the boat, you guys. Really fancy. It's really expensive.
Big spenders.
How much did you pay?
$40 each.
40 bucks each? Each?
Each?
Ah, 40 bucks each. Oh yeah, free dinner. And then it's a cruise. Hello, they're going, babe. Let's go. Don't leave us, people.
We're not going.
No, it just moved. It's here. Captain Proud. We're going in. So then nag-sunscreen pa. I did apply sunscreen but just on my arms. I didn't put it on my legs nor my face. I have a hat anyway, so it's fine. It's already like, what time is it, babe? 5.
Almost.
We're here. So romantic. Look at us.
Oh,
Look at us.
this is gonna hold on.
Captain. Can you see it? Captain Proud.
Captain Proud.
Hello, we should take a picture, babe. Sige.
Sure.
Ito yung view namin, guys. That's the view. We're here sa parang what do you call this part, babe?
The ass of the sheep.
The ass.
Yeah.
Ano silang pa-couch show. Nandito ako sa yung ano nila, toilet. Ano kami dan kanina nag-toilet. Then yeah, we can have dinner here and it's gonna be really romantic. I think it's a special table. Yeah, near the toilet, very romantic. We're back! Kasi I think magsiserve na sila ng food soon. We have our bread, lemon lime and bitters for me, and then beer for Donnie Boy. This is the fish with white garlic sauce. Yummers. With vegetables. And then Danny Boy's chicken with mushroom gravy. Yum. Kain!
I haven't had breakfast. It's not money for breakfast, sure.
Dessert, I got cheesecake. Danny Boy got apple crumble with cream. Yammers? We're off by boat. It was fun. 3 hours. It was fun. Captain proud. Okay, let's head home. I think I peed 3 times for the last 5 minutes. It's crazy. And people are looking at me. This girl is talking to herself. Kuya is looking at me. Do you know what Kuya is?
Nope.
Big brother. We are almost home. We will just stop by here. Happy Car Wash, I think it's called. And Dan will just spray yung the car. Kasi nothing major. Hindi like walang sabon-sabon. He's doing it right now. Just to spray off the bugs. Kasi maraming bugs eh. Danny boy! Sandaling spray lang. You will put $1 na I'm not sure how many. I think a minute of spray. And that's enough. Kasi kakalinis lang ata niya ng car niya. Pero dahil mahaba yung biyahe, maraming bugs na nalalaglag or like nadadagyan na ng sasakyan. So yeah, nakatulog ako kanina. Ito ka na. Kasi ang haba ng biyahe. Buti na lang hindi kami nag-camp doon. Kasi yung camp siguro hindi namin siguro kakayanin. Sobrang lamig na kanina ha. Sobrang nilamig ako kanina. Buti na lang din lang ako tinda ng jacket. But it was a good experience. Yung cruise. Most passengers, mga matatanda na sila. So, yeah. Kami lang ni Dan. Siguro ako yung pinakabata. For sure, ako yung pinakabata. And yeah, kasi most sa kanila, matatanda. Pero yeah, we're going home. My lips still looks fine. I retouch once lang. Ilang beses kami kumain? 1, 2. Yeah, marami beses kami kumain, Queen. Include me on dessert, snack. I've been eating like strawberries here. Nabili namin sa what's the name of that shop we got the strawberries by?
Beerenberg.
Beerenberg?
Beerenberg.
Beerenberg?
Beerenberg.
Beerenberg.
Yeah. It's a farm.
It's a farm, yeah. It's so cool because you can do strawberry picking, guys. So, bibigyan ka nila ng container para lagyan ng strawberries mo. And yeah, you can do strawberry picking. It's so cool. You can pick your own strawberries. We will do that next time. With the kids. Hello! We're home. Kanina pa actually. We were going to bed and I was like, oh, I forgot to close the vlog. So I will close the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Good night, babe. Good night. Good night. Bye.